Hey you guys, it's Peter and welcome to my channel, Peter. Boom, 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 review stuff. And today we are reviewing the Dapper Dog Box. I'm trying to get this set up here so that you guys can see like the full setup here of me and the dogs, and that way you can see everything that's in the Dapper Dog Box. Are you excited, Tucker? And I am wearing my sweatshirt of Pee-Pee today because, well, I missed him a lot last night and I was having a tough night. And so I thought today we would do this video. Do you see little Boo Radley over there too? We would do this video in dedication to Pee-Pee today, who we miss greatly. And we wish that he was here for our unboxings, don't we? Yes, we do. Because he made our life so much fun. So I don't want to start off on a sad note, but I was just sitting here and I was thinking about this sweatshirt. And I was like, you know what? The sweatshirt's sitting down there in the basement. I'm going to go get it and I'm going to put it on. So are you guys ready? Now let me tell you about the Dapper Dog Box. I was just talking to my friend Melissa about this last night because we went to her house for a little Super Bowl get together of 4 people. But it was great. Did you guys see the halftime show? Oh! My God, I love Shakira and J-Lo so much. But anyway, well, I'm actually a huge Shakira fan. I do love J-Lo, but I'm a bigger Shakira fan than I am J-Lo. So anyway, we were talking about these subscription boxes because that snowman, I took straight over to Melissa's house last night and to Balls because these guys just don't like really hardcore toys like that. So anyway, I was talking to Melissa and I said to her, you know, like I like the Dapper Dog Box much better than I like the Bark Box. I like them both, okay? I think they're both fantastic, but I didn't know about the Dapper Dog Box. I had heard about the Bark Box for years and years and years, and I wanted to try it and all that kind of stuff. But I had never heard of the Dapper Dog Box. So when I Googled dog subscription boxes and this one came up, I was super excited about it. So here it is, the Dapper Dog Box. You can see it's right, I don't know if you can see it because of the ring light. There you go. You gonna help me? Boo Radley, come over here. Boo Radley is like, no, I think I would rather sit on the ottoman. Look at him. He's like, okay, I think I'll just sit on the ottoman over here. Boo Radley, you need to be a movie star with us. Don't you want to be a movie star? So we're going to get right down to doing this review. Are you ready? Okay, come over here. Come over here, honey. Come on, bud. He said, as soon as I open this, he's going to get real excited. Okay, so what I like about the Dapper Dog Box is, excuse me, is that every month they have some kind of theme, and I think the theme is very cool. It's always something kind of different. Like last month was like New Year's Eve in New York City, and I thought it was really cool. So we're gonna open this. Now I just like cut the tape. I haven't opened it to see what's inside. I don't know anything about it. I'm very excited for the February Dapper Dog Box. Okay, so here it is. Okay, this is going to be interesting if this is kind of like what happened with the Bark Box. So if you didn't watch the Bark Box situation was that I got the wrong box. I didn't get the box that I ordered, okay? And I contacted them and I said, hey, like I didn't get the box that I wanted and blah, 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 whatever. Oh, I tweeted it out and they said, oh, like contact us. So I contacted them. So in all transparency, which I'm going to continue to order the Bark Box and review it over here. But I contacted them and I said, hey, I didn't get the box that I had ordered and blah, 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 whatever. And I mean, the toys are too big for my dog. You know, it is what it is. And they're like, oh, you were supposed to get this box, but you got that box by accident. And they were like, we're really sorry. And I'm like, well, are you sorry enough to send me another box? Because you didn't offer that. And I didn't say anything about it, and I just kind of let it go. I probably should have let it go, but I thought, you know what, I don't want to have to send the box back and whatever. But that was my experience. I can only speak to that. They didn't, like, send me another box. They said if you want us to, you know, do something, you know, contact us again. But, like, they didn't go out of their way to do anything, which I always think is really interesting with customer service. It's like, you sent me the wrong box. I didn't order this box. You should have said, oh, we will make sure that that box is out tomorrow. So that was my experience with the Bark Box. I'm hoping that my experience next time is a little bit different, so we'll see. But this is what you get when you open the Dapper Dog Box. It says, all you need, well, hello, Boo Radley. It says, all you need is love and a dog, and the hashtag the Dapper Dog Box. Okay. Now, I do not see in here a card. Now, they usually have a card, and they tell you, like, everything that's going on. So, okay, here it is. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so this is the Potchular, like The Bachelor, like the TV show. The most dramatic box ever. This is it. Do you see him? Oh my God. Okay, so Apparently you're supposed to wear the hat. Tucker is not gonna be real happy about that. Here's what it says. We hope you're here for the right reasons because dogs across the Popular Nation are looking for love. Bring the romance. Are you guys looking for love? No, you guys are good brothers, aren't you? You don't need love. Bring the romance of the mansion to your dog's hometown with these toys and treats. With choices that are so genuine and real, who will get the final rose? Tucker's like, duh, me. I always get the rose. True romance bandana made by the Dapper Dog Box. Poster first impression rose and rose ceremony photos. This is why I love this box, okay? It is so genius, the stuff that they come up with. Here, I'm gonna move up so you can see Boo Radley a little bit. It's so genius, the stuff they come up with. I think it's so cute. Okay. So, where is the bandana? First of all, that's over there. If I move this box, they're gonna move. Okay. I don't see a bandana in here. Who's gonna wear the bandana? Well, Tucker's the one that always likes to wear the bandana. But here's the bandana. Size small, because they're small. And this is what it looks like. It has little X's and, aww. It has X's and O's all over it. And then on, the box is gonna fall. It has, if I move the box, then I move the dogs too, you get it? So it has little X's and O's are all over it. And then on the back, it has a little hearts and arrows. Is that not so cute? Who wants to wear the bandana? Who, you wanna wear it? Okay, Tucker. He said, I will wear the bandana. Alex loves to come home when they have these little bandanas on. They're so nice. They have like little nice ties on them and everything, don't they? Okay, so let's see. The next thing is this plush top hat dog toy, small. Is there a squeak in it? Oh Lord, there's a squeak in it. Okay, so we're gonna take this out. Do we like that? Go get it. Oh, he said, no, I don't care for that so much. Okay, he says a little bit. Then he loves these size of toys, Tucker does. Boo Radley doesn't really play with the toys. He doesn't really understand it. Okay. Oh my Lord, Tucker, look at this. You wanna play with that? You wanna go play with that? He said, I would rather have the treats that are in the back. So then the things that you get, hold on a second, there's all kinds of little cards and stuff in here. What was that other card? Create memories every month with the Dapper Dog Box. It says inside each box, because we customize the items for your dog, please visit Dapper Dog Box store for more information on all the items in this box. You help save a life. A portion of sales from the purchase was donated to a dog rescue and a shelter. Oh, we like that, don't we? Refer a friend to sign up and we send you a free box. Melissa, you better use me. Okay, I'm just saying. Follow my cousin Caroline. Caroline, you better use me. Not family friendly, oh my Lord. Okay. And then skip a month. Getting too many goodies? Log into your account and click on skip next renewal. So you can skip a month if you want to. Okay. So here we got two different treats. The different treats we got are pork and apple. Oh my Lord, that sounds so good, doesn't it? A Paws Barkery, artisan baked dog treats, wheat, corn, and soy free. Crunchy dog treats with pulled pork. Ugh, that's one of my least favorite words in the entire world, pulled pork. I went to this wedding this one time. Let's just say it was a country wedding. We'll just say it. Do you ever remember Little House on the Prairie? Oh my God. With Nellie Olson, when she invites Laura and Mary to her birthday party. Oh my God, it's one of my favorite ones. And Laura, she gets accused of stealing the what do you call it? The jewelry box or the music box or whatever. But anyway, before that, they show up and Nellie Olson, they both wearing those blue dresses, those sadly blue dresses that they wore every Sunday to church. And she says, what are you two wearing? Nellie Olson says that they're supposed to be wearing party dresses for a birthday party. Did you get those at the Mercantile, remember? But she knew that they didn't get them at the Mercantile because her mom ran the Mercantile. So anyway, so Nellie Olson said something. She was like, where did you get those dresses? And Laura goes, they're our Sunday best, Nellie. I loved her so much, especially Carrie when she falls running down the hill. It's so funny, isn't it? But anyway, she goes, it's our Sunday best, Nellie. And what does Nellie say? Country girls. Anyway, I guess that's just you and Tucker. Boo, country girls. And then the other treats that we have here, exclusively Dog Harvest Blends. Cranberry and carrot flavor Chewy Dog Treats made with coconut oil. I can tell you that my dogs like the Chewy treats over the hard treats, but we will try them both. Okay, are you ready? Let's see what these smell like. First of all, you want to smell them? They don't smell like much, do they? You can't see Boo Radley. He's stage left right now. Okay, let's smell these and see what they think of these. We're about to have dinner. Ooh. He's the same. Boo Radley, what do you think? You're totally missing this. Hold on. Boo Radley, what do you think? Do you want to try him? He said, no, I'm good. He said, I don't know about them booger treats. Okay, let's try one of these treats. You ready? Here you go. Here's a treat. There you go. And then Boo Radley, here's his treat. Now he'll take it, and you're going to hear him jump off here because he... Okay, did you like... You ate that right up, didn't you? You want to try another one? If you try... Oh, here comes Boo Radley with another treat. If you try another one, then that means you really like it. Boo Radley, you're still eating on your treat, aren't you? Come up here. Oh, you ate your treat so fast. He was chewing it when he came up here, and now he's got it all done. Did you like that? And now Tucker's down here, and he is... What? You don't think you want to be a movie star anymore? Okay. Well, let's try these treats. Come up here, Tucker. Come on. Okay. Come here, Tucker. Come here. Try that one. Oh. And Boo Radley, you want to try that one? See what you think. You don't like it? You want to go down there and try it? Okay, hold. There you go. Here you go, honey. Oh, he didn't like that at all. Oh, yes, he did. He grabbed it and he brought it over here. Now they're wrestling. Tucker, did you? Oh, Tucker didn't even finish his. Ooh, I don't know what I think about. Yeah, Tucker's not really eating it. He doesn't really love it. You want to try another one of these? Come here, guys. Come on. Come on, Boo. Come on. Come here. Boo Radley, you can't be a movie star if you don't come over here. Okay, let's try these. Here, you want to try these? There you go. Oh, Boo Radley loves that one. Tucker, where's Tucker? Tukey, there you are. Okay. Well, they really like these. They really like these Harvest Blend Cranberry. And it's probably because they're easier on their teeth, too. They like those better than they like these. But I don't know. This one didn't seem like it was maybe worth as much to me. Like, I like the whole theme to it. But it seems rather expensive. You get 2 things of treats, I don't know, maybe not. 2 toys, 2 nice plush toys, and a bandana. And how do you like the bandana? You like the bandana? You look awfully nice in it. Come here. Come up here. You want to? He said, no, I'm done. So anyway, let me know what you think about the oh my Lord, we're having so much fun, aren't we? You want dinner? Are you hungry for dinner? He said, don't even mess with me like that. Watch this. Are you hungry for dinner? You want dinner? Okay, let's go have dinner. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.